somebody else?
The farmer finally fell asleep.
You better believe it.
Hey, monkey, cut your nails.
Just one more kiss, please.
These bonds between dogs and their unusual besties prove
Pull my trunk, I dare you.
puppy love knows no bounds. Is this annoying?